All right. This is how. Let me just go back. There we go. Up right here. Y'all need to see that. It's a mess. Whatever. This is how we are starting today. I had every intention on doing a little, not a cute beginning. There's glare on my glasses. Take these off. Not a cute beginning, but a pretty decent one. But the time this is my second time attempting to do my hair. It's not working. So now I'm gonna have to wait again later, which will be the third time to attempt to do my hair. So with that being said, I want y'all to know my intro. I tried. I promise you. I really tried, but this is where we are. So I'm a little bothered. I kind of want to try it, but I know since I want to record it, let's just see if I can get done. I can't. I got to make a phone call. I'll be back. I know I gotta sit underneath the dryer. What's up? What is this? Oh, was this your homework?
Yes.
Where did you do this at?
I need to use it.
We gonna try this again. Kids are home. Okay, so I am done with my hair. Now, if you have been following my other life journey, I talked about how I didn't like the ropes. And so, funny story, I was supposed to interlock my hair today, but I asked Ben, he said interlock. But then I had to like reconsider that because as I was about to do my hair and just like the amount of new growth I had and just my hair period, I was just like, oh, so I asked like my mom, my sister, I was like, guys, I need to do my hair. Should I interlock or should I do ropes? And my sister was like, they both said they like how ropes looked on me, whatever the fact maybe. And so here we are now. You can see, let me bring you in. Let's bring you in. So there's so, oh my god. So you can see I put these two together because they are shorter and they equal up to about the same. And then that's how I did on, where's that? So on this side, I put these two down because these two are the same. And then, where is it at? This was the same way, and I can't find the other one, but you can see, of course, these, technically, this big old forehead, forehead. So these technically were supposed to be like the smaller ones. Well, I was supposed to my whole head small like that, but I didn't. That's how some of these, y'all, I don't know. At the time when I was doing them, I didn't know what I was doing. So, yeah, you can see I'm still, scooch your back. Okay, so you can see still in my beginner stages, especially like with my ends, like with the ends of my hair. I'm more than likely to keep it like this. So I like my hair a whole lot more now because they're smaller. And even though, no, it's not like a complete full look, but it is a fuller look compared to my others, actually to both of my sets, honestly. I just really didn't care for my second set at all. But to me, for my liking and for my hair, I like, of course, the size that they are, and then how my ropes look, they are a lot fuller. So I was kind of playing around and see, you know, when people, when they had their ropes, like when they be pulling up in like buns and stuff like that. So give me some time. We gonna get there. But yeah, so that is pretty much all I have for you today. So yeah, this is going to be the first video in my fall diary series. I did an intro. Okay, yeah, it's 2 days later. Okay, 2 days later, I called myself trying to put on the same shirt. I was gonna stunt and be like it's the same day. Clearly it's not. But I honestly just may repeat because I really don't even know what what is that? That was gross. I really don't remember what I said in the other video, honestly. In the first, well, like in the intro to this video. So this will be like the kickoff of my hair fall diary series, whatever. I don't know. Yeah, I just be doing stuff, okay? But anyways, yeah, so this is my hair, my ropes. I'm going to keep these in for a minute because I said before, I like a retwist, but the retwist don't like me. That's what anybody's hair. But as for now, we're going to keep these in to preserve my my retwist, and I just want to do my hair, honestly. So I don't really have a set schedule as to how often I retwist my hair, because I've been going back and forth between retwisting and interlocking. I don't have a set schedule. More than likely, it'll probably be, I might be able to write this off in like 4 weeks, anywhere between 4 or 5 weeks. We're gonna see, because I also have to look at my schedules, and I'm trying to plan everything out accordingly, because you know, my birthday coming up. It's not to the end of the year, but still, I just want to make sure that I am planning everything accordingly. So yeah, that is, okay, for this time, that is all that I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, for sticking around. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe. Anything else that I'm missing, do that too. And until we meet again I'm not dying, not like meet again like to the upper room, but I mean until we meet again in another video. So okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.